Good morning, dear students. Today we are in the fourth chapter of Unit 2, that is International System of Writing Numbers. Students, generally there are two systems of writing numbers. One is your national system of writing numbers, and another is your international system of writing numbers. So previously we had studied about national system of writing numbers. Now today we are going to study about international system of writing numbers. National system means which belongs to the nation, whereas international system is generally used by the foreign people outside of the country. So students, let's understand what is international system of writing numbers. So students, here I would like to tell you one thing, that in international system generally periods are each and every periods are divided into three parts. Each and every period are divided into three parts. Now what are the periods? Now there are periods such as ones, thousand, millions, billions, trillions, etc. So ones, period of ones consists three places, that is ones, tens, hundreds, whereas thousands period consists of three places, that is thousand, 10,000, 100,000, and similarly the period of millions also consists million, 10 million, and 100 million. So in this way each and every period in international system contains three places. So students, let's observe the place value chart in international system. So students, here I have drawn the place value chart of international system. As I have already told you that each and every period consists of three places. So students, here you can see period. Period starts from ones, then after thousands, then after millions, billion, trillion. Now students, the second row you can see it is of places. Period of ones consists of three places, that is ones, tens, hundred. Similarly period of thousands consists of three places, that is thousand, 10,000, 100,000. Here th means thousand, tth means 10,000, and hth means 100,000. Similarly students, the period of millions consists of three places. First is your million, it is generated by m. Tm means 10 million, and the third one is hm, which means 100 million. Million, 10 million, 100 million. Now students, let's take a number and keep them in this place value chart to understand about how to write the number name in internal system of any number. So students, here I have kept some number in the place value chart of internal system. I have taken a number as 304978625, and I have kept them according to their place value. 5 I have kept at ones place, in tens place there is 2, 100 place there is 6, 1000 place there is 8, in 10,000 place there is 7, in 100,000 place there is 9, in the place of million there is 4, in the place of 10 million there is 0, whereas in the place of 100 million there is 3. So students, now if we are to write the number name of this number, if we are to write the number name of this number according to international system, then how could we write? So students, let's understand it. Students, here we are going to write the number name of 304978625. This number, we are going to write the number name of this number. So let's understand properly. Now students, as I have already told you that writing the number name always based on the period and the places. यदि कुनै पनि नम्बरको नम्बर नेम लेख्नु छ भने त्यसको हामीले पिरियड र प्लेसेसको आधारमा लेख्ने गरिन्छ. So students, as we already discussed about the period and places, that in international system each and every period contains 3 places. So students, we have to always begin from the period of ones. So period of ones contains 3 places, that is ones, tens, 100. So students, here ones, this is our ones place, this is tens, and this is 100. So ones, tens, 100, these are the period of students ones. So let's write O for ones. Now similarly students, let's move forward. After the period of ones, the period of thousand occurs. So in the period of thousand also there are 3 places: 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So students, this is the place of 1000, this is 10,000, and this is 100,000. So 978, these are the places which lies under the period of students 1000. So let's write TH for 1000. 978 1000 को period में पढेको हुनाले 1000 लेखेको students. Now similarly students, after the period of thousands, the period of millions occurs, and in the same way the period of millions also contains 3 places. One is million, another 10 million, and the last one is 100 million. So students, here 4 is your the place of million, 0, 10 million, and 3, 100 million. Here 304, these are the places which lies under the period of million. So let's write million as M. M means million, TH means thousand, and O means ones. So students, now let's write the number name. So students, as I have already told you, while writing the number name you have to begin from the greater period. So here between ones, thousand, and million, the greater period is of million. So we have to start from million. You have to start from the left. In the period of million you can see 304. So students, 304 means 304. So विद्यार्थीहरु, 304 को मतलब हो 304. So let's write 304. 304. 300 and let's not write and, let's write 304 only. 304. Now students, 304 means 304. Now 304, to which period it belongs to? It belongs to the period of million students, M. So therefore we will write this M over here, million. So students, 304 is the period of million, therefore I have written million at last. So 304 million. 304 million. Now students, the turn of thousand, if you see in the period of thousand there is 978, and students, altogether 9, 7 and 8, it makes 978. 978 को मतलब हो 978. So students, let's write 978. 978. So students, here I have written 978 is 978. So students, 978 lies in the period of which? In the period of 1000. So therefore we need to write 1000. So 978 1000. Now students, after 1000, period of ones occurs. So in the period of ones we can see 6 to 5. So students, 6 to 5, it means 625. 600 and students, 600 and 25, 25. Now students, it is the period of ones, so therefore it is not necessary to write ones over here. Okay, we don't show the period of ones while writing the number name. So ones हामीले लेख्नु पर्दैन students. So full stop. So in this way the number name of this number is 304,978,625. So students, hope you have understood today's class very well. So this much for today. In the next class we will do some exercise of this chapter. So till then, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you so much.